In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add watermark in Google Slides presentation. A watermark is a faint piece of text or branding that sits behind your content, helping protect your slides or mark them as drafts without distracting your audience. I'll walk you through a simple approach that starts on a single slide, then applies the watermark across your entire deck. Begin by opening Google Slides in your browser. From the home screen, open a presentation you can work with. If you see a sample file, that's perfect for practice. Otherwise, use any presentation you'd like to watermark. Once your file is open, we'll create the watermark directly on a slide before adding it to the theme. Go to the Insert menu at the top and choose Text Box. Your cursor will turn into a crosshair. Click and drag to draw a text box on the slide. Type your watermark text such as confidential, draft, or your brand name. Place it where you want it to appear, typically centered or diagonally for visibility. Make it large enough to be noticed but not overpowering. Now edit the look so it's subtle and professional. Select the text and adjust the font, size, and color to something light, like gray. Use the highlight tool if you want a gentle background tint, or set it to transparent for a cleaner look. The goal is readability without overshadowing your content. You can also angle the watermark slightly by rotating the text box, which helps it sit behind your slide content visually while still being recognizable. When it looks right, right-click the text box and choose Copy. This captures your styled watermark. Next, go to the slide menu at the top and choose Edit Theme. This opens the theme editor, which controls the master layouts used across your slides. At the top left of the theme panel, look for the main theme or the topmost master layout and click it. This is key because anything you place here will appear on all slides that use that layout. Now paste your watermark. Position it just like you did on the slide, centered, diagonal, or wherever you prefer. You'll see it faintly in the background across your deck. If your presentation uses multiple layouts, consider pasting the watermark into those specific layouts as well so it appears consistently. Close the theme editor when you're done, and your watermark is now applied presentation-wide. That's it. You've created, styled, and applied a watermark in Google Slides in a clean, reusable way.